Hello, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be going over how to download, set up and install Python for macOS. It's very simple, it's very easy. It's much like the Windows setup if you've seen that, but I'm just going to be showing you how to get it set up, so here we go. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Python website. Here, I'll leave a link in the description to the download page, but you're going to want to press this button here where it says download Python 3. I've already got it downloaded, so I'm just going to run the install file. Okay, so once you've opened up your downloads folder, you're just going to want to double click on this. And you're just going to want to go through everything that it says here. Continue, continue, continue. Agree with this. You can change the install location if you want to, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. Install. Okay, now it's just going to ask for my password. Okay, once you've put in your password, it's going to carry on installing, so I'll just leave this for a second. Okay, once Python's installed, it should pull up this folder here. We can just close this for now, close this, and close this. It's going to ask you if you want to move the installer to the bin. I'd say yeah, do that, because then it frees up some space. Okay, now we've got Python, the latest version, installed on our computer. To open up the Python shell, you're just going to want to press Command or space, or look through your applications, but I'm just going to press Command and space. And you go or type in idle. Open up that. And here you go, you've got the Python shell. You can do some simple Python code in here. If I can type. Print 52, I don't know. And there we go. Python is up and running on your computer. If you want to get started with Python, I've got a great beginner's tutorial, and I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. Okay, thanks for watching.